What's up, everybody? It's Christopher J, Sickans RBN. We're coming to you once again from the Pointe Orlando Shopping Center, and today we're checking out their main event entertainment. This sister brand to Dave & Buster's ups the experience factor with bowling, a ropes course, and much more. Let's check out all the stuff they've got going on over here. Come on in. This seems like one of the smaller main events I've seen to date, but there's still plenty of fun to be had here. You can catch me over at the Beat Saber machine. Stay tuned though, because next episode, we're going to be visiting a Chuck E. Cheese location that's unlike anything you've ever seen. You won't want to miss it. I've been Christopher J, Sick Hands RBN, reminding you to like, comment, subscribe, or join, and I'll see you all next time. Hey, it's me, Christopher J, Sick Hands RBN. Thanks for watching all the way to the end of the video, and very special thanks to all of our channel's fans, super fans, and sponsors. If you want to help support more arcade tour videos and road trips, please click the join link on the end card here or down in the description for more information on channel memberships. See you all next time.